Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, y'all. Alright, here we go. What's going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? It's Excellent Dreamz here, back with another exclusive video for y'all, my family and my friends, each and every one of y'all. You know, I'm so excited. I just surpassed 2,000 subscribers, so just wanted to give a shout out and a thank you to everyone that's here with me along on this journey of rhinestone creation. We gonna rhinestone the world, baby. You know what I mean? That's my main goal, my main focus for 2022 is to help you create your first rhinestone shirt, whether it's via one of my designs, whether it's, you watching some of my videos to get the hang of how to use Corel Draw and the TRW Rhinestone Wizard, or just coming along for the journey, and using what I can show you and I can teach you with your program, whether that's Shortcut to Lot Pro, whether that's Silhouette Business Edition, whether that's using, I've seen some people do rhinestone designs in Infinity. You can do rhinestone designs in Adobe Illustrator. My way isn't the surefire way, isn't the only way. There's plenty of plugins. It's a lot of rhinestone programs out there, but I like using Corel Draw coupled with the TRW Rhinestone Wizard. It just makes it so nice and easy for me. I know a lot of people, they're like, but $729 is a lot, and I understand that it can definitely be a lot. But yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready this year to help everyone who wants to dive into the rhinestone game. Who wants to create amazing, one-of-a-kind works of art with rhinestones. You know what I mean? This year we're gonna go past just doing t-shirts. We're gonna transcend into wall art. I definitely have a few canvases that I have purchased, and I'm ready to put them to good use. Do some rhinestone wall art, and yeah, it's definitely going to be a rocking journey. Here in 2022, I'm definitely trying to stick to my guns of at least one video a week for you guys. So definitely stay tuned. I'm not quite sure what day I would drop the video. I guess I gotta just look at the stats, you know what I mean, to see when I will drop my weekly video. That doesn't mean I'm only going to do one video a week. Sometimes, I might get into my bag where I'm doing 2 and 3 videos a week. But we'll see how it goes. I definitely still have a lot of custom orders coming in. I definitely still got a lot of people who want me to bring their vision to life. So I'm definitely doing a lot of designing. I'm definitely planning on picking up for a lot of my classes. I do offer one-on-one training classes if you already have Corel Draw and the Rhinestone Wizard, and you just need that little push or that little help, to help you to figure things out and piece it all together. I do offer trainings on that as well. So 2021 is over. 2022 is here now. We're 10 days into the new year, and once again, I just surpassed over 2,000 subscribers. So I want to thank you all once again. Give you guys a pat on the back for helping me to get there, and let's steamroll full steam ahead into 2022. And I'm out.